I am so excited, you guys. Guess what? I was asked to be a return guest ambassador for Dipnotic Nails for the month of June of 2022, and I am so excited to do this unboxing video with you guys. I did the first one in May. I was a guest ambassador for the month of May, and I absolutely loved it. Melanie, the owner of Dipnotic Nails, is so amazing, so on top of everything, just so on the ball, and I'm just so impressed with these dips. I absolutely loved all of the colors that I received last month, and I'm actually still wearing the colors on my nails right now on my right hand. I did a scrub ombre with cedar shakes and picket fence, and then this is hydrangea. I just got my box in the mail, super fast shipping, cannot even believe it. It's been like, what, 2 days? I can't even believe how fast it's been. So let's get started. So let's see what we have got in our box from Dipnotic Nails. Here's our nice little love note. Absolutely love that. So as you guys know, June is Pride Month, so Melanie has some beautiful colors to celebrate Pride, so definitely check that out on the website on Dipnotic or her Etsy. You can use Jill10 for a 10% discount on Etsy or the website, so definitely check that out for this month. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's a little ring in this box. Oh my god, I'm just so excited right now. I cannot even believe this. Look at this ring. Oh my gosh, this is so thoughtful and so sweet. I absolutely love jewelry. I love rings. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. And it fits perfectly on my ring finger. I will be wearing this in my Manny photos for this month. Thank you, Melanie. That is so sweet and so thoughtful. This little organza bag even matches the colors for her company, so I just cannot even believe how everything is so color coordinated and so organized. So I'm gonna pick out this color right here. I love this company so much, I cannot even explain it to you. So this is Blue Raspberry Lemonade. This is from the Lemonade collection that's coming out, which is perfect for summer because lemonade is a summer staple, so you're definitely gonna need these colors. So this is the Blue Raspberry. I cannot wait to see this one. That is so pretty. Look at the like green and the blue in there, and there's a little bit of like chunky glitters, and there's just a little bit of like a sparkle. This is so unique and so different. Okay, I'm really excited about this color because it is from the up and coming 4th of July collection that you have to have. We have a couple weeks before the holiday, 4th of July, so you got to get your nails ready, and this is going to be the perfect color to have on your nails. Look at that. This looks like it's going to be so awesome to work with. I love fine shimmers. They're just a dream to work with. So this is definitely going to be a go-to, I can already tell, for my holiday nails that I'm excited to start working on. This is also coming to you soon with the 4th of July collection, Liberty. Super excited about this color as well. That is so pretty. There's a little bit of shimmer in it. If you look closely at it, there's a little bit of shimmer in there. And you guys, shimmers are the easiest colors to work with. Like, honestly, if this is anything like the Cape Cod collection, it's gonna be an absolute dream to work with. And this is gonna look really good with Freedom. I also have, from my old box, I do have a little bit of a sample. I'll have to go find that one. It has a chunky glitter, so you could do that as well if you have other colors from her collection. And this is our last color from the 4th of July that I have in my box, and it's called Glory. Oh my gosh, this is a shimmer too. I'm so excited. It's crazy because when I was looking at the sneak peeks, I totally thought they were solid, and I'm really excited to see that there is a little bit of shimmer in there, so it's gonna catch the light so beautifully. but it's still gonna have the appearance of being a solid color from afar, so it's kind of like the best of both worlds. So I went back to my box from last month, and I wanted to show you, if you also have these colors from Dipnotic Nails, you could also use these with the 4th of July collection. Independence Day, this is the sample that I was referring to before that I have. It's a beautiful chunky glitter from Dipnotics, and I cannot wait to use this one too. See how it's a chunky glitter? We could totally combine that with this fine glitter Freedom, or we could do a combo with the blue and the red with this. That would be beautiful. So there's so much we could do. We could combine all of these together. I mean, it's limitless. I also have Sparkler from last month that I just had to have. It has the stars in it for 4th of July, and I'm gonna show you all the color combos that we could do with these. And these are perfect because you can also use these at different times of the year. You could do an all red manicure for Christmas time. You could do all blue for summertime. So what I like about these colors is that they're good staples to have year round. And then when you have these awesome colors for 4th of July that are themed and like holiday themed, you can combine it so easily for a nice holiday look. We could even combine this one for a little extra pizzazz. And we could even use this chunky glitter, Independence Day. So you guys, if you have any of these color, I mean, look at all of these options. We could totally do like even one of every single color on your nails. If you have any of like these glitters from the main line, you can totally combine these with these colors. And I highly recommend getting these colors from the coming 4th of July collection because like I said, you can use them year round and you can get so much use out of them. And I actually did a video showing, like featuring this color, Sparkler from Dipnotic. And I did this color and I did a little bit of holographic over it, like chrome over it. So something that you could also do is you could take the red and blue and you could even pick out some of the stars from Sparkler and hand place it over these two. Like we could totally get creative with this. That just really excites me for this month, and I cannot wait to come up with my manicures, and I will be sharing them with you guys. I'm gonna open up the next one. I am so excited to check this one out. You guys, the reflective glitters just got me. I had to have some reflective glitters in my life. I cannot wait to show you this reflective beauty called Mirage. If you haven't checked out Melanie's reflective glitters, please do so. You need to run, not walk, to see if they're still in stock because I had to have this. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. I cannot wait to put this on. I'm just so excited. My heart is with the reflective glitters. So here is another reflective glitter flash. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty too. I'm so curious to see this with flash. Just breathtaking, honestly. It kind of took my breath away just looking at it. I cannot wait to do that one. And finally, Shine, our last reflective glitter. Look at that. Wow. So many endless possibilities. And there is one final dip color in here. I did not expect this. And it's called Pride Parade. I'm thinking because of Pride Month, which kicks off on June 1st. I am so interested to see what we have. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's all rainbow, like little chunky glitters in there. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. This is so fun. absolutely perfect for Pride Month. I'm having such a hard time trying to figure out what to do first. That will be my next project, is coming up with my manicures for this month. I am crazy about all of these colors. I can't say enough good things about this company. I honestly can't. Everything has been wonderful. From the shipping to receiving the colors to the organization of everything, the color coding, the little gift, the thoughtful gift of this beautiful ring, and just to the quality of the dips themselves. These have been like some of the easiest colors I've ever worked with. Like the colors that I worked with for Dipnotic, like this past month, have been so easy to work with. I cannot wait to keep the good times rolling, and stay tuned for my manicures and my YouTube videos for this month, for June. And don't forget to use Jill10 at checkout to save you a little bit of money on your order. So go to Dipnotic Nails on the website or Etsy or the Facebook group to check out what colors you want to get first. And yeah, thank you for watching.